In this video, we will be seeing that a blue lightning strike. So I'm choosing blue. So a blue lightning strike, which was founded in then, which was founded over, which was founded by the aircraft ISS, which was over there. So now, a French astronaut, while he was orbiting around the Earth, so here we have the Earth, and we have all the continents, and we have Russia. So I'll just zoom out in Russia. So in that Russia, he found a blue lightning strike which was coming up to the clouds. Like if you take up this area over here, this area is the ground and this area is the clouds. So we have the positive charge. So now when these clouds rub together, they form the negative charge. So these negative charge are built in them. So what do they do means positive and negative attracts, and negative and positive attracts, and positive repels, and negative repels. So now while this is happening, a lightning strike comes off, like in the yellow color or in the white color. So now what happens? These lightning strikes, if you let's take you are wearing an electric things like the nylon. So if you let's say you are wearing a nylon and you rub in them really well. So you put the nylon dress. So I'm just taking a t-shirt. Okay, this nylon t-shirt has the static electricity because the static electricity is built in them. So now if you take fabric also, they also have the static electricity. They are built in them. So now when they are happening, you let's say you are wearing this for 24 hours. So when you wear this for 24 hours, you will get the current. So there will be negative charge. So you will be getting a negative charge. So let's say you are touching something. Always remember this metal will be having this positive charge. So when you touch something, this negative and positive attracts. So now what happens? The electric current happens. But what if they are bigger? Let's take around 20,000 ampere. So 20,000 ampere is not too much, because for a house the maximum thing is 15 amperes, which is less. But what about 20,000 amperes? It's more. So when this happens and sudden lightning strike happens, this positive charge and negative charge attracts. And what happens? So what happens is this positive charge goes to the negative charge. So what do we get? We will get like this: positive charge, positive charge, positive charge, and positive charge. So now what happens? Again it happens for, like, you are wearing this for 24 hours and you will get the current again. And what happens is back to the negative charges. So what happens is, if you're in a cloud, again it forms the negative charges. So this is how lightning is made. But what about the blue strike, which is seen by the Russian astronaut? The French astronaut. So basically, this you can see it over here. So this lightning strike happened from not like this. It doesn't goes like this. Basically, this lightning strikes from the space to the ground. But if you take up this lightning strike, this gets from ground to the space. So that is so weird. So now the theory one says that this is called sprites, eels, trails, and ghosts. So these three things are this causing this thing. So now sprites. So if we take some sprites have a red thing over here. So this red is equal to the positive. So and this blue causes the negative charge. So now it actually adjusts the thing. So let's say we are having the positive charge over here built in really high. They need to change to negative charge. So the next time what they can do is they can again give a lightning strike. So now what happens is this positive charge over here goes and attracts this negative charge over here. So this both they attracts and they form a blue cloud. That is says the theory one. And else is the brightest thing. So now if it takes up else, it is not even a fraction of second. It forms like this. So this is really brighter than a lightning strike. It happens for a millisecond. This was founded in 1990 by the space shuttle. So like this they found it, and as I said, this is how lightning strike happens. And sprite is also like the jellyfish. So now thank you guys.